Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Costway portable washing machine and the mini portable washing machine. In this video, we will explore their features, capacities, and designs to help you make an informed decision for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Costway portable washing machine offers a washing capacity of 12 pounds and an 8-pound spin capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is ideal for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This difference in capacity is crucial for users who need to wash larger quantities of laundry. The Costway model features a twin tub design, allowing users to wash and spin clothes simultaneously, which can save time. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine is a foldable single tub model, making it extremely portable and easy to store, but it may require users to wash and spin in separate cycles. In terms of features, the Costway portable washing machine comes equipped with a timer control for customizable wash cycles, enhancing user convenience. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine lacks detailed feature specifications, which may limit its functionality. This aspect is important for users who prefer more control over their washing process. In conclusion, both the Costway and mini portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The Costway is better suited for larger loads and offers more features, while the mini is perfect for small spaces and lighter laundry tasks. We hope this comparison helps you choose the right washing machine for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.